Alright, it's time to answer a frequently asked question, because apparently a lot of people don't know. No, not that one, don't get too excited now. I'm talking about these two videos, because on a thumbnail, I used my creative way to stylize my Apple Watch to resemble a Pokeball. The way I was able to achieve this is really easy and straightforward, which I'm surprised a lot of people couldn't figure this out. So if you're one of the few people, don't worry, I got you covered. So the way I found this was just simply going on my iPhone and just searching up on Google Pokeball wallpaper for the Apple Watch. And scrolling through images, I found this one. Quickly just save it to your photo library. Once you do that, go ahead and launch the Apple Watch app. Make sure you have the watch face that allows you to have your photos. And just go to your watch face library. Go to down where it says customize, choose photo, and just select that one Pokeball. Once you do that, the watch face is all set and done once you select it on your Apple Watch. Now, of course, in order for us to take it a step forward, you can purchase a pair of white bands and red bands for the Apple Watch. Now, what I did, I picked up a pack of these little bundle ones. I think this is a great value because for like $20 or $30, you get a bunch of different colors. But once you select the red and white one, you pretty much just place it in and there you go. You're all set and done. And if you customize it, you can actually rearrange the position of the clock, which I like to have it down here to give it a more low-key look. And yes, I'll be sure to include the bands in the video description down below as well as the link to the wallpapers in the video description. And if you go back to that link, if you peruse on the list, you could also find a bunch of different Apple Watch faces with different Pokeballs to take it a step further and get creative with the bundle of Apple Watch bands you purchase. But other than that, that's pretty much everything you need to know about making your Apple Watch look like a Pokeball. So go nuts, get creative, make your own designs, and be sure to tweet at me or tag me on Instagram. Let me see what you guys come up with. But other than that, that's pretty much everything, and hope this video helped you out. You know what to do if it did. Leave this video a big thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, why not get subscribed, because I pretty much cover anything tech related, especially Apple Watch related. I always just post it all here in this channel, so stay tuned for a ride if you like to see more. But as always, thank you once again for watching. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. I love you.